All right, everyone, welcome back, and we are going to unbox a new watch. So here we go. So hint, I sold one and I replaced one. So let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. So this is new packaging from Zelos. So before it was the infamous wooden box, and now it's like this kind of aluminum metal box, and wow, 4-slot holder, and there's the burnt orange Spearfish. So we got our warranty card that looks like it's taped. That's kind of different. It's kind of cool. But let's get into the watch. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Really nice feeling. This is the new movement inside the G100. It's got the adjustment clasp. Let's go and get these nasty dirty stickers off. Looks like they opened it at customs. Probably wondering what the heck it was. That bracelet is beautiful. So I had this titanium swordfish, and I loved the watch. It was beautiful, but once this one was announced, I was like, I had to go for it. So I sold the swordfish and got the burnt orange Spearfish. And I can tell you right now that the profile is much better. Everything is sleeker and slimmer. The hands are a lot sleeker and slimmer. And I'm sure you guys are going to see a lot of other videos, or you have already. And yeah, just holding this one already feels better. I like the titanium, but I also like the heft of the stainless steel. And wow, check that out. Those hands are beautiful. The case is beautiful. The bracelet is beautiful. It obviously has the adjustable bracelet. Really cool. Really nice stuff from Zelos. Just a nice push clasp. Christopher Warsaw or Zelos, whoever is doing it first, I'm not sure. And let's get some juice into this movement. Oh, it looks like it's already running. Nice movement on the hands. The crown really sticks out far. Look at that. Holy mackerel. And date change right at midnight. Beautiful. What a dial. What a dial. It's even rendering different through the camera than I'm looking at it right now. So in the camera lens, it's like a bright orange, almost like a bit more yellow to it. And then kind of off the camera, it's really got this orange, deep orange bronze kind of look to it. Let's go ahead and get it to 1010. Put it back in. Give it a little blast here. Sorry guys, my son is in the background and he's active today, so let's go and check this loom out. This kind of just gives you an indication of how strong it is. I'm not going to shut all the lights off, but yeah, it's really powerful. It's really nicely set up. Everything on this watch is gorgeous, and that's why I knew I had to get it, and I did have to part with the titanium. A little loud, a little flexible, a little jingly, but that's okay. Makes up for it in every other area. It's got the hardness, Vickers, 1200 Vickers. This one last sticker off here in the back. Yeah, so more to come on this, and if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, Time Flies By 2020, you guys are going to see a lot of this watch popping up on there in the recent days and weeks coming. So thanks. I have another couple of watches inbound, so please subscribe and like this video. It really helps out. I know I'm just starting out, but yeah, if you guys really like this kind of stuff, I do a lot of unboxings. So yeah, check it out. All right, until the next video, take care.